So hello everyone, welcome back to the Codersarts in the new project video series. So in this video we are going to integrating the retrofit via using the shared preferences for the login layout pages, and we are going to discuss a lot of things in this video. So first of all, I wanted to show you the application what we have to create in this video. So we are just creating this icon, okay, and this application here. So just click on this. So here you can see we have a form data, which is the email, and the second one is the password. So here we have to log in with some things, and then after we have to enter on the retrofit screen. So what we have to do, we have to create it. So first screen is known as the login screen, and second screen which is known as the sign up screen. So let's get sign up. So here we have to use a sign up here. So we have using this email ID, and the password will be the Abhay. Okay, so we are going to do the sign up thing. So we can see we have to do the sign up, and then we are able to log in. So if we enter the incorrect email ID, okay, say this one, okay, so and the password is, so we can see we are getting the invalid credential error here. Okay, invalid credential. So we have to just verify it and just click on this. So we are using basically a shared preference for storing the data for the login ID and the password. So in this video we are going to in this series we are going to discuss about the shared preferences, so how the shared preferences store the data, how we can create a basic UI for login logout for our application, and then when you click on this login button, so you will be moved to this screen. So this is the basically JSON placeholder data that we are fetching from the server by using the retrofit, and by using the proper nomenclature and the basic integration of the retrofit API integration. So in this API integration we are just getting the data from the JSON placeholders website. So this is the JSON data that we are getting fetching from the server. So these are the basic thing. So let's get started how we can create the video. So being with us, thank you very much.